What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, today we're gonna be replacing the spark plugs on this E90. Yeah, so to get started, you're gonna need a T25 Torx to remove the screw from over here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're not even gonna waste no time. I wanna go fast on this one because it's getting late and all that. I just get home from work and I wanna get this done real quick. You unplug this wire from this sensor right here. Okay. Screw right here. I have some tab right here. You can just get a screwdriver and lift up this tab right here, take up this covering, put it to the side, go ahead and take this up. See the cabin air filter? Yeah, you just remove that. Alright, remove that cover over there. Take up this one from here. Also, and then we have two nuts over here that hold along this piece. We have two bolts hold along this. It's 1132 socket. Go ahead and remove one from here, and you have one over that side. Okay. So after you remove that, you go ahead and remove this piece right here. So you remove this piece, you can go ahead and use a flat point screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Pull these clamp. There is some clamp hole in this wire right here. Go ahead and remove that. Then pull out the wire. And then you can go ahead and lift this up after. And just pull it to you like that. Okay, so this piece is out. Then we can come and take off this engine cover right here. Okay. Then we're going to have access to the ignition coils. Right here, go ahead and pull out the wires. And then you pull out the ignition coil. First one is out. There's 6 of them, so we have 5 more to go. Pull up on the top. It's very easy to climb out, and sometimes it can give you a hard time. Sometimes you just go ahead and pull this piece up first, then you can release the wire. Go ahead and take him out. That's 4. 5 and 6. Okay, so now we have access to the spark plug. Gonna go ahead and remove those right now. Okay, so to go ahead and remove the spark plug, then you're gonna need a 5/8 socket, 5/8. You need a extension. Yeah. And then we're gonna need a ratchet angle also. You know what I mean? to remove the spark plug. Alright, so let's go on, remove the spark plug. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack them like that first, and then we just use the extension and take it out. Whoa. Can't believe I tightened it that much. Didn't need to tighten it that much. Okay. So after I go through and crack them like that, you can just use the extension and the socket and take them out after. Just like that. To replace these spark plugs, you can have them lined up, so each one you take out, you can always just replace it back right away. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to get anything fall down in those holes and stuff, but I'm just going to take them out first. And then I'll start to install the new ones. Okay guys, so here is the spark plug. I just received them in the mail and all that. So these are some NGK BMW spark plug. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start replacing these new spark plug. Alright, so go ahead and let's get a socket and just something like this. Thread it in first, finger tighten. Just finger tighten them first, all of them. So we're gonna go through and finger tighten all of them just like that. Drawing them real hard, just a little bit, you know what I mean? Whenever time you see it stop turning, like how it's turning now, well, it stopped right there, so we just put a little bit of pressure on it, and that's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and do all of them just like that. Yeah, so after we go ahead and replace all the spark plug, all the ignition coils, that's it, you know what I mean? That's how you replace your spark plug on your E90 N52 engine 325i BMW 06. Okay, yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give the video a like. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. All right, thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next one. All right.